Hello everyone. Today I have a design project for myself. So currently I'm recording just with my phone because I don't have a camera to record on. So what I'd like to do is be able to 3D print and record all the 3D printing for all of my videos. So I want my camera to be set up about here, so then I can record all of the layers that are printed and then fast forward it. So what I'd like to do with this is fit my phone across there, possibly at an angle, so like that, to be able to show it recording. I can grip over the top because it doesn't have that's the furthest it gets to, and as you can see I've got quite a lot of space there. So grip over the top, around the bottom, and then underneath, and hook underneath so then my phone can fit in there. So I've already written out the dimensions using a vernier caliper, so a digital one. And also I thought if I have time it'd be quite good to put an external battery holder on here, because recording this could be for up to like 5 hours and that used a lot of my phone battery. So I thought put that on there and I can link my phone up and charge it while it's recording. So that's if I get time today. So yeah, I'll record all my process and you can see how the project evolves. So let's get to it. Right, so now I've got a basic concept here of a simple shape that goes round, so it should hook over the top and come round at that angle. Should hopefully miss either side of that screen, so then it's not blocking the touch screen. Doesn't really matter about the off and on button because I can fiddle around that. I can move it over, press on, move it back again. Doesn't really matter about that button. Come underneath and then hook underneath the phone so it holds it in position. But this side, I did realise halfway through that it's going to just fall out and cause some damage. So I've introduced that bit here, which should just hold the top of the phone while that bit there holds the bottom of the phone, so it should hold it in position. But because as I was moving my phone around in the first bit of this video, trying to show where the filament comes out and stuff like that, I needed to have it at an angle and I didn't know what height it needed to be. So therefore, make it adjustable, can make it half the thickness there and half the thickness there, so it should be able to just move up and down and bolt it into 3 different positions. Also, the same with that bit, because I didn't know what angle to go at, so that should be able to extend outwards and inwards, which means that the whole phone should be able to drift in the angle. So this is a very simple shape that should be quite good for 3D printing, because I can literally just print that on a base and it just extrude it up. So let's go ahead and try and CAD that up ready for the 3D printer. Seems to have worked. So it holds it from the top like I said it would, and then the phone is held on the bottom. And there is a slight issue with the where it actually is viewing the 3D printing from, because it's got a bit of a block. So I'll show you from the inside now. So you can see from here that it doesn't look too bad, but then when you put the 3D printing base on the bottom, it blocks the vision of the camera for the first few layers of printing. So what I'd like to do now is move the camera a bit further up. So that means I need to make an additional bracket that I bolt on, and I shall do that now. So you can now see that that's holding much better. I've got the additional bracket there, holding that on. This actually helps a lot for the touchscreen and the off and on button there. So now I can access it from anywhere really. I'm going to now replicate another one, and I'm going to put my phone in it, and you can see how that looks. So I have just 3D printed a second one, and you can see from that angle it's much better for seeing the first few layers, so be able to see it all printed. So yeah, if you join me in my next video, I shall do the portable battery, external battery holder, so then I can charge while filming. So if you join me for my next video, thank you very much for watching.